I don't know, my Sarge might have an idea here with that. Not sure, but...
All right, Lenny. So we're going to have you just keep your head real low. We're going to see if we can't get these bars just to move just a little bit, okay?
I'm going to try to pry it.
Yeah. Get it from the other side. All right, Lenny. Can you move your head up just a little bit? Upwards. A little more. A little more. Up and out.
There you go. There you go.
Backwards.
You got it. You got it. Yeah! Woo! Good thinking. No one will notice.
Go ahead.
Free referee, you got the child out. You can cancel 5 minutes.
Okay, don't ever do it again. Don't stick your head through any bars.
All right. I got you a little bit of police sticker. We might have medical just look at her.
Yeah.
Hi, would you like a sticker? Do you have a brother or sister?
I don't have any sister.
No? Okay, let me ask you something. Do you feel sick?
No.
You're doing okay?
Yeah.
I think she's good, so.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, bye.